Oh, okay, hello. Well, the truth is out. Actually, really, I do little jigs when I find plants that I love. I do. Do you ever do that? Do you ever like see a beautiful flower or just, the abundance of the garden or just something so beautiful in nature that you just feel like doing a little jig? So I do that, and today is a good day to do a little jig because I found a little patch of purslane. Yay, purslane! So purslane, oh my gosh, I hope that you can find some. Sometimes it's in the farmers markets. I hope that you have been lucky enough to have this weed land in your garden because it's a weed. It's a wild edible weed, and it is so, I was at a garden recently and the whole zucchini patch had been completely weeded and the compost pile was full of purslane. And I was like, no, we want to eat the purslane with the zucchini. So purslane is an amazing superfood. It's really high in essential fatty acids. It's anti-inflammatory. It's good for the brain. It's a brain food. It's oh my gosh, it's high in beta carotene, so it's a really good precursor for vitamin A. It's antioxidant, it's high in B vitamins, it's good, it has iron. It is just such an amazing weed, and you want to get it into your food. You want to, you can eat it fresh, you can put it on salads, you can put it in soups, you can put it in your tacos, and you can garnish it on just about any dinner or breakfast. I love this weed. So why don't you come with me and see why I'm doing a jig today? Come on. Okay, so here's our purslane. See that? Do you have that weed? Have you seen that weed? Have you pulled that out? Yeah, so this is an amazing, amazing plant, and you can eat the whole thing. Actually, you can, some people like to just strip the leaves off and just eat the leaves. Some people like to chop the stem and eat the stem also. It's really delicious just raw like this, garnished onto your soups and salads. Or you can, just kind of pick the whole thing like this, chop it up, and saute it. You can saute it with onions and garlic, and it's really, really good with scrambled eggs. And, again, it's anti-inflammatory. Let's see, did I say it's a brain food? Yes, it's really, it's got a lot of good antioxidants and essential fatty acids for the brain. And it's also very mucilaginous. And so mucilaginous plants, edible mucilaginous plants, what they do is they help to soothe. You can kind of see that's a little bit you see all that juice there? It's very anti-inflammatory to the digestive tract. So, oh my God, I love this plant. I hope you can find it. And it is just, it's as nutritious as any vegetable in your refrigerator right now. So there's our beloved purslane, and let's see. Let's see if I can. Yum, yum. That's good. All right. I hope you find some I hope you find some purslane. And also, I want to know, have you ever eaten purslane before? And if you have, how do you prepare it? Leave me a comment in the chat section, and I want to hear how you prepare purslane. All right.